Fancy a cup of tea? Not just any tea, but tea made with herbs you've grown yourself. It's easier than you think to have your own tea garden, bursting with flavor and goodness. Imagine stepping out your back door and snipping a few leaves of mint for a refreshing drink, or picking chamomile flowers bathed in the afternoon sun for a calming evening brew. Growing your own tea herbs is deeply satisfying. You know exactly what's gone into them, no nasty chemicals, just pure natural goodness. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of something you've nurtured yourself. Whether you have a sprawling garden or just a sunny windowsill, there's a tea herb out there for you. In this guide, we'll explore 3 fantastic herbs that are easy to grow and perfect for beginners: chamomile, mint, and lemon balm. We'll cover everything from planting to harvesting, so you can brew up your own delicious and healthy teas in no time. So grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Chamomile, with its delicate daisy-like flowers, is a joy to grow and a treat to drink. This gentle herb is known for its calming properties, making it the perfect bedtime beverage. Chamomile prefers a sunny spot in your garden with well-drained soil. You can sow seeds directly into the ground after the last frost, or start them indoors for earlier blooms. Sprinkle the tiny seeds on the surface of the soil and gently press them down. Chamomile seeds need light to germinate, so don't bury them too deep. Water them gently and keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Thin out the seedlings once they have a few sets of leaves, giving them plenty of space to grow. Chamomile is relatively low maintenance. Water it regularly, especially during dry spells, and feed it with a balanced fertilizer every few weeks. Keep an eye out for pests and diseases, although chamomile is fairly resistant. To harvest your chamomile flowers, simply snip them off at the base of the flower head when they are fully open. Dry the flowers in a warm, airy place until they are crisp, then store them in an airtight container. Now you're ready to brew a soothing cup of chamomile tea whenever you need a moment of peace. Mint, the invigorating herb that adds a burst of freshness to any drink. It's incredibly easy to grow and thrives in both sunny and partially shaded areas. Mint prefers moist, well-drained soil. You can plant mint from seed, but it's even easier to grow it from cuttings or established plants. When planting mint, it's best to contain it to prevent it from spreading too aggressively. Plant it in a pot or container, or create a barrier in your garden bed using bricks or plastic edging. Water your mint regularly, especially during hot weather, and fertilize it every few weeks to encourage lush growth. Harvest your mint leaves as needed by snipping them off the stem, leaving a few inches of growth. Regular harvesting will encourage bushier plants and a continuous supply of fresh leaves. Mint is incredibly versatile and can be used to make refreshing teas, flavorful salads, and delicious desserts. Section 4. Lemon balm. Zest up your life. Lemon balm, with its vibrant citrusy aroma, is a delightful addition to any garden. This lemony herb is known for its uplifting and mood-boosting qualities. Like its minty cousin, lemon balm is best grown in containers to keep its spreading tendencies in check. It thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil. Plant your lemon balm in a pot with drainage holes and use a good quality potting mix. Water it regularly, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. Lemon balm is relatively low maintenance, but regular harvesting will encourage bushier growth and prevent it from becoming leggy. To harvest lemon balm, simply snip off the leaves as needed, leaving a few inches of growth. The leaves can be used fresh or dried and stored in an airtight container for later use. Lemon balm tea is incredibly refreshing, especially on a hot summer's day. Section 5. Your tea garden awaits. There you have it. Growing your own organic tea garden is a rewarding experience that will provide you with a constant supply of delicious and healthy teas. Chamomile, with its calming properties, mint with its refreshing flavor, and lemon balm with its zesty aroma are all fantastic choices for beginners. Remember to choose a sunny spot for your tea garden. Use well-drained soil and water your herbs regularly. Harvest your herbs frequently to encourage healthy growth and enjoy the fruits of your labor. So why not have a go at creating your own little slice of tea heaven? Happy gardening!